Hi everyone, I'm Siyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to turn on notifications on Instagram. Enabling notification keeps you updated on posts, messages, and activities so you don't miss anything important. So, let's get started on how to turn on notifications on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, you can find the notifications option. Tap on it. Here, you will see the pause all option. Next to it, there's a toggle switch. Tap on this switch to turn it off. When the switch turns gray, notifications are turned on, and you will start receiving alerts for new activity. And this is how you can turn on notifications on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.